YouTube. So if you've been following me, I installed this Pormido rear view camera. It's basically a rear view mirror, but it's also a rear view camera and front view camera built all in the same. So this thing right here comes with three options. It's got the cabin camera, the rear view camera, and the front camera, where I can have all those three options running at the same time. So I decided I was not going to place a cabin camera inside my car because I don't like to watch myself driving. So this is the cabin camera. Technically, you're supposed to mount it like right here, something like that, or like right here, so that it'll constantly video you when you're driving. I don't like that because I'm not a handsome guy, and I don't like to watch myself driving. So what I'm doing today is, after doing some research, I found that this Pormido system right here is not compatible with any type of camera that's not designed for it. And I also tried plugging the rear view camera into this spot right here, and it doesn't work because the rear view camera, for some reason, it needs a higher power. Well, it needs a power to make it work, and so it doesn't work using the regular. I'll show you. Regular 3 or 4 prong plug. So I've decided I'm going to use the cabin camera here, and it'll work. However, it's not water resistant. So what I'm doing here is, what I did is I built this little housing right here where the camera will sit inside here, and you'll notice that it's got no covering right here, but I've made the housing to accept this little plexiglass so that it'll protect it from moisture. And so that's what I'm doing, guys. I'll show you how it looks like. So this is how it goes in, like that. Okay. And then I'll show you how the plexiglass looks like. And that's how it looks like. The plexiglass will prevent dust and rain to so that it won't wet the camera. And here on the end, I'm going to plexiglass the end as well. So then this is how it'll look like. Let me show you how once it's hooked up, let me show you how it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, it's hooked up here. Okay, now I was able to buy an extension cord so that I can lengthen the camera power cord. So this is like a 12 feet cord. So I'm able, hopefully I'm able to make it go to the front. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so I've hooked this bad boy in. That's the camera. Okay, and so these are what I can do. Okay, so here. Okay, so this is the camera. This one right here. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, and I'm moving the camera around. So I'll show you why I like this, why I'm doing this, and why I like this little thing here. Alright, so this is what I like about this. See that? It's got 3 options. I can simultaneously view, this is the front, this is the rear camera, and this is my camera here, which I'm going to put right underneath the bumper so that if I ever go off-roading, I can see what's underneath me. See this one right here, although I like it that it's facing the front, it doesn't have an underside look. So this right here will do an underside. See that? So that I know what's underneath my chin when I am off-roading. Let's go and mount this on, and I'll show you the end result. So as you can see here, that's my camera pod. It's made like this so that I can pull this out if I need to replace it. And so I hid the wire. It's hidden really nicely. Travels here to the underside of the car, and I'll show you how this bad boy looks like. Okay, so I'm inside the cabin. This is my camera. So I've hidden all the wires here. And so this is the camera. That's the front camera here. That's up here. And then I'll show you. This is the under chin camera. Okay. And so as you can see, it's really close to the under chin. It's pointed downward. This is for the breakover angle. You know, when you go off-roading or you go to a place where it's a breakover and you don't really know what's on the other side, this camera, my hope in this camera is that it'll help me look at the breakover angle. So it's pointed, slanted downward. And so this is what I like. I can monitor all 3 videos camera at the same time. So let's go for a drive. Another position here tells you I can see the curb. So let's say I'm gonna climb. Okay, so I can see here. Boom. All right, so that's how close it is. Nice. Okay, works for me. And this is for breakover angle, so that's all right. But it also helps. Okay. Alright guys, let me know what your thoughts are. I really like this product. I'm gonna take it off-roading or snow, whatchamacallit, and do a review on my setup. I really like it. Let me know what your thoughts are. Sorry about the glare. I'm facing the sun.